G'day folks, Uncle Knackers here from DIY for Knuckleheads. Currently I'm helping my neighbour out to renovate his bathroom, but before we go ahead and pull down that tiled wall, I'd like to show you how easy it is to drill a hole through a ceramic tile. Let's do it. Now there are basically two types of drill bits that you can use to drill a hole through a ceramic tile. This one here is a multi-purpose masonry bit. You can see how it's got that funny end on it, and that not only will drill through tile but also concrete and bricks. Not a bad drill bit, but if all you need to do is to drill a hole through a ceramic tile, then you cannot go past this tile and glass cutter, also known as a spearhead, and it is absolutely perfect for the job, and I'll show you how to use it. The first thing you need to do is just place some tape on the tile where the fixture is going to be mounted. That'll make marking the position of the fixture much easier and also helps prevent that drill bit from slipping around. Beautiful. Then just grab your mounting bracket and mark the position of the holes like that. Beautiful. And then just simply get your tile and glass cutter and insert it into the chuck of your drill and tighten. Too easy. And as far as the drill settings go, it doesn't need to be on hammer, it doesn't need to be on impact. Just put it on normal everyday drilling mode and that should do the trick. Okay, we're now all set to start drilling those holes. Let's do it. Okay, this is how easy it is. Just grab your tile and glass cutter, place it on the dot, and then just with moderate pressure, start drilling. That is going through like butter. And we're through. And now for the second hole, once again moderate pressure and just slowly go through the tile. And there you have it. Two beautiful clean holes. How easy was that? And then to attach the fixture to the tile, all you need to do is tap in the plastic plugs that often come with your fixture. So just tap them in. Till they're nice and flush with the surface. Be careful not to hit the tile because you don't want to crack it. Beautiful. And then just simply place the bracket over those holes and screw it on. Nice and gentle, no rush. There's one done. And there's the second. How easy was that? So that's it folks, how to drill a hole in a ceramic tile. How easy was that? Seriously, anybody can do this stuff. And I'll leave a link to where you can buy one of those glass and tile cutters in the description box down below. So make sure you check that one out. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed and found that video useful, and as per usual, a big thumbs up is always appreciated, and if this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button for more handy tips. Alrighty, I better get cracking and start pulling down that old tiled wall, so till next time, be safe, and I'm out of here. Cheers.